Can your couch recline, charge your phone wirelessly, have multiple spots for storage, and hold your drinks all at the same time? Well, I'm Gracie with WTI, and this sectional couch from GEBADOL is the full package. Okay, I know it can be scary ordering a couch online without ever sitting on it, but let me assure you, these faux leather seats are really soft and comfortable, and this diamond stitching, I feel, adds a lot of character. We wanted something that could see all of our family at the same time, and this sectional design is perfect. Plus, it's really easy to keep clean if you have kids or pets. You've got two power reclining chairs on the end with a USB port on each side, plus the armrests lift up for storage, and you've got additional storage in the console. There's also a button to turn on LED lighting that adds a lounge style vibe to your space. It was delivered in 3 boxes. The seats and hardware was all protected during shipping and really easy to assemble. Everything interlocks together with these metal brackets. You can lean one of the backrests down to access the wireless charging and turn on the built-in lights while reading at night. We've never had a couch with this many awesome features, and we would highly recommend it. And that's our point of view.